Hello, this is Monica Sharma. Today we are going to start question first, exercise 4.3. In this question, solve the following equation. In this question, you also given a equation and you find the value of the variable. Here y is the variable. In previous exercise, you also find the value of variable. In this exercise, we also find the value of the variable. For starting this exercise, I will tell you one thing. In previous exercise, we have given an equation. Suppose there is an equation x plus 2 is equal to 4. In this equation, in exercise 4.2, we subtract 2 both sides. Here is plus 2, we subtract 2 both sides. Subtract 2 both sides. Two cancel out. From 2, s is equal to 2. So the value of the variable comes 2. In this equation, we use the second method. And second method is that if here is a number in plus 2, we transpose this number in minus. If here is minus, it go here in plus. If here multiply the number with x, then go divide, and divide goes multiply. So we transposing this number to the RHS. Means here is in plus, so here go in minus. 4 minus 2, and it go back side after 4. S is equal to 2. So the second method we apply in this exercise. This is the shortest method. You can also apply this method in exercise 4.2. Shall we start that question first? Exercise 4.3. Question first is, what is the question? Question first is 2y plus 5/2 is equal to 37 divided by 2. So here we apply this method. This is the shortest method to find the value of variable. So here is in plus, so we are transposing this to RHS side. So 2y is equal to 37 divided by 2 minus 5 divided by 2. 2y is equal to, we take LCM comes 2, then 37 minus 5. 2y is equal to 37 minus 5 is come 32 divided by 2. 2y. When 32 divided by 2, it comes 16. So here is 2 is in multiply, so it goes there in divide. Y is equal to 16 divided by 2, and so the value of the variable comes 8. So y is equal to 8 is the answer of this question. Similarly, we solve second part of this question. B part. In B part, 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. In this 28 is in plus, so we transpose 28 to RHS side. 5t is equal 10 minus 28. We not write here 28. We write after the 10. The 10 minus 28. If the greater number is subtract from smaller number, the sign is come minus. That what's the value come? 18. And the 5 is in multiply, so here is going divide. T is equal minus 18 upon 5. So the value of the variable t is equal to minus 18 upon 5. We solve another part of this question. A upon 5 plus 3 is equal to. Here is also there is in plus. So we transpose this to RHS side. A upon 5 is equal to 2 minus 3. A divided by 5 is equal. There is again a greater number is subtracted from smaller. So sign comes in minus 1. Here 5 is in divide. So we transpose this to RHS. If there is in divide, here it go in multiply. So A is equal to minus 1 multiply 5. So the value of the variable is comes A is equal to minus 5. So similarly you solve all the part of these questions. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.